This eggless orange cake is soft, moist and packed with bright and refreshing orange flavor. It's the ultimate dessert for holiday or anytime you're craving a simple and delicious homemade treat. With fresh orange juice, aromatic zest and no eggs required, this recipe is perfect for anyone looking to bake something special for family and friends. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Zest 1 or 2 oranges. This zest adds so much natural flavor to the cake, so don't skip this step. Then juice your oranges to get fresh and vibrant orange juice. Using fresh juice gives this cake its signature refreshing flavor. This beautiful eggless orange cake is bursting with citrusy goodness. It's easy to prepare, uses simple ingredients and delivers bakery-style results right at home. Once juice is done, keep it aside. In a large mixing bowl, sift your all-purpose flour. Then add baking powder, baking soda, salt and whisk it well. Also add orange zest and mix together everything to ensure dry ingredients are evenly combined. Now in another bowl, combine fresh orange juice, neutral oil, thick yogurt, granulated sugar. Whisk until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is smooth. For an extra boost of flavor, add a few drops of orange extract or vanilla extract. Mix it again. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula or a whisk. Be careful not to overmix it, just combine it until you have a smooth batter. If it feels too thick, add a splash of milk, 1 tablespoon at a time or until the consistency is just right for pouring. Grease a 9-inch loaf pan or line it with parchment paper. This will make it super easy to lift out the cake once it's baked. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan. Tap the pan gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. If you like, sprinkle a little extra orange zest on top for a festive and aromatic finish. Then bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then carefully transfer it to a wire rack and let it cool completely. Look at the golden crust and the soft moist crumb inside. It's absolutely perfect. This eggless orange cake is light, zesty and so refreshing. It's perfect as a dessert or an afternoon snack or even a sweet holiday breakfast. Pair it with your favorite tea or coffee for a cozy and comforting treat. I hope you give this recipe a try. When you do, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy baking!